Hello there. So on one of the threads, somebody was asking how the VLine2 GROM system interacts with our stock infotainment system, as far as does it complicate anything that already has, such as climate and whatnot. So here it is on the, you basically push this to toggle between. So right now that's CD, flip back, and you got your auxiliary, which is the GROM unit. And so we got the wireless Bluetooth right here. We got YouTube if you want it. You got, let's see, here's, for me, I use the CarPlay. So you got, you know, any of your apps that you want on there, you can listen to. Then you got your messages, which, so when you get a text, it'll change it to speech, and then you can reply as well if you want to. Of course, you can get your phone calls just like you can with your regular system. You can have your Google Maps, probably other maps too, if that's what you prefer. It'll do voice, so you can tell it, you know, hey, I want to go here, and it'll go there. And then you got your music as well. All right, and so then here's your regular. So here we got climate. So just like normal, everything works. You can adjust and do everything you would normally do on there. For audio, you still have all of these functions are available. So you got your AM or satellite, you got your FM. If you wanted to set your tape going, I don't have one in there, but I do have a disc in there as well. So you can toggle between that and your disc. Okay, so then we got your info is still working. So you got all your regular stuff like maintenance, any kind of stuff you want to schedule, you know, you got all that stuff too. So you still have all the things that you had before, so it doesn't take anything away from that. All right, and then you still have, you know, you can control your display just like normal. You still have your regular maps if you want to have that. Oops, I shouldn't show that, huh? And you can still put in destinations just like you always could, and you still have the regular menu. So basically what I'm trying to say is everything works. The CD player works, everything works. So that's it. There you go. Let's just go back to that. All right, thank you. Hopefully that answers some questions. Oh, here's the unit right here. I don't have it in there real nice and clean, but it doesn't move around. I don't need to connect anything to it ever. That is for, I guess, for GPS, but it just goes through my phone anyway, so it doesn't really matter. It did come with a microphone. Some people put it under that the car's vent there, but I just kind of stuck it out. Can't really, it's not really in the way, and I feel like it can hear me a little better sticking out right there. So anyway, there it is. Thanks for watching.